Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Fighters, I've got a question for you. What do you think of this girl? Let's see. What do you think? What do you think? I like it. I like it. But anyway, let's get right into it. So, Usanzo Mchunu and Melusi Gigaba are in trouble in the ANC. They are facing disciplinary actions because if you go to my YouTube channel 2 days ago, I posted a video about what Usenzo Mchunu said. Usenzo Mchunu said the ANC is in the brink of collapsing. It's like on the edge of a cliff, like he even went as far as saying, if they don't perform well in 2026 in the municipalities, the ANC will be non-existent in 2029. Melusi Gigaba, I watched his the full episode of YouTube last night, where he said so many things. Melusi is so sound, yes, like mamela, like he's so sound. Please go check out that episode on YouTube. But he was just explaining a lot of things where the ANC is failing. And he answered the question that I've been asking, actually. I actually posted a video on YouTube. Go to my YouTube channel. You will see there's a video of this. I posted this morning. How things have gone wrong in the ANC. He was also giving his opinion on the national dialogue. He does not, he said it must be postponed. And then he was saying so many things. And the ANC has failed. There's so many things that he does not agree with. But at the end of the day, he's still a member in good standing. Then he was also saying, he also didn't agree. He was saying there's no excuse of the ANC to work with the DA in in the GNU. He said so many things. That's why I think you should go and watch that episode. He spoke so well. I do have a little clip that I'm going to play here in the end. But they are facing disciplinary. And I'm saying, disciplinary. It's definitely Umbalula, guess. And one thing about Umbalula is going to call you in a disciplinary hearing. Again, I do understand where Umbalula is coming from. There's a member of the EFF up on TikTok who taught me, Uri Senga, he taught me that there's a thin line between being outspoken and bringing the organization into disrepute. So he was just explaining, Ukuti, it doesn't matter how much you strongly believe on something, how much you want to be outspoken and opinionated, but if you sign a membership, there's just certain things that you can't do because you've made an agreement with the organization. So, I mean, to be fair, if a leader of the EFF would say, oh, the EFF is dying, of course, we wouldn't be happy. So, I mean, it's only fair that Umbalula would call them to a disciplinary, hearing. So, yeah, let me know what you think. Here's the clip of Melusi.
The ANC to remove the DA, possibly wanting for the ANC to remove the DA in the GNU. What was your opinions about the DA, considering where you come from is in terms of the budget process, considering the DA's utterances against the ANC and even the caucus? You part of the caucus. The caucus has been quite clear that it wants the DA to be removed.
I've always held the view that the GNU should have excluded the DA. I still hold that view even now.
And many
I don't think that there is anything that justifies why we are working with them. I think we would work better with other political organizations, including EFF.